A little while ago, you saw me do a review on this proper good pizza soup. So today, I'm going to be making homemade creamy pizza soup. What all goes into the creamy pizza soup? 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 small onion diced, 1 bell pepper diced, 2 cloves garlic minced. I've got the already minced kind. 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 can 14.5 ounce diced tomatoes. I've got the fire roasted diced garlic, 1/4 cup tomato paste, 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth. I'm going to be using vegetable. 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup pepperoni slices cut in half, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, fresh basil for garnish, croutons for serving, and I'm going to be making breadsticks. So let's begin. Take a large pot, dump in your 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and heat it over medium heat. Take your 1 small onion diced and pour in there, and your 1 bell pepper diced, and saute that until it is soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Then when your onions are translucent and your green peppers are softened, add your 2 cloves of minced garlic, your 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, your teaspoon of ground oregano and ground basil, and saute that for 1 minute, just until fragrant. Then add your 1 can of diced tomatoes, your 1/4 cup of tomato paste, and your 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, which is 1 carton. Stir that and bring it up to a boil. So it's up to a boil, reduce the heat and simmer it for 10 minutes to get the flavors to meld together. So it's been 10 minutes. Now, if you remember my review on the bagged pizza soup, one of my cons was the fact that it wasn't very chunky. This is chunky. If you want it a little bit less chunky, or if you want it smooth, use an immersion blender and get it to your desired consistency. I'm going to do it for just a little bit. I've got some chunks, but they're not as chunky as it was. All right, so after I went ahead and used the immersion blender to get it a little bit less chunky, take and add your 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Turn your heat down to low. Your 1 cup of shredded mozzarella, and your 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And cook on low until the cheeses have fully melted. After your cheese is melted, toss in the pepperoni, which is 1/2 cup of half pepperoni slices, and cook that for 5 minutes. So here is the creamy pizza soup, garnished with leaves of basil. Rounding out the meal is cheesy garlic bread. Let's see what Dave thinks. Yes, that is creamy pizza soup.
Pizza soup.
And there's extra mozzarella cheese if you want to add on top, but there's quite a bit of cheese in there.
Is there pepperoni in there?
There is pepperoni in there, onions and green peppers, and seasonings and tomatoes.
It's pretty good. It's got a nice mix of flavors in there. It's a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit of heat to it. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.